You just learned a new name at a party. 30 seconds later, gone. But your childhood phone number? That sticks forever. Why? Your brain isn't broken. It's doing exactly what it was designed to do. In this video, we're going to break down the real science of why we forget. This isn't about being forgetful or getting older. This is about what's actually happening inside your skull when a memory slips away. And honestly, what I found was pretty mind-blowing. Let's dive in. In 1885, a German psychologist named Hermann Ebbinghaus did something nobody had done before. He studied his own memory, scientifically, every single day for over a year. He memorized thousands of meaningless syllables and tested himself repeatedly, tracking exactly how quickly he forgot them. What he discovered became one of the most famous graphs in psychology, the forgetting curve. It shows that we forget information incredibly fast at first, losing about 50% within the first hour after learning something. After just 24 hours, you're down to less than 30% of what you learned. This sounds terrifying, but here's the thing, this is completely normal. Ebbinghaus also discovered that if you review the information at exactly the right moment, right before you're about to forget it, you can dramatically flatten that curve. This idea of spaced repetition is still one of the most powerful learning techniques we know. Your brain isn't designed to remember everything. It's designed to forget most of it. And that's actually a good thing. Here's something that blew my mind when I first learned about it. Every single time you remember something, your brain literally rewrites that memory before putting it back in storage. The memory doesn't come back like a video playing, it comes back like a document you're editing. The moment of recall makes it malleable, and your brain can alter it before saving it again. This means every time you remember your 8th birthday party, you're remembering the last time you remembered it, not what actually happened. And there's more. Sleep plays a huge role in all of this. When you're in deep sleep, your brain isn't resting, it's processing and consolidating all the memories from your day, filing them into long-term storage. If you're not sleeping enough, this system breaks down. Memories don't get properly saved, and they float around your brain like loose papers in a windstorm. You know that feeling, you walk into the kitchen for something, and immediately forget what you wanted. You're standing there, completely confused, and you can almost taste the thing you came for, but it won't come to you. This is actually one of the most common memory failures, and it has everything to do with attention. Your brain uses context cues to retrieve memories. When you're in your living room, certain memories become more accessible. When you walk into the kitchen, that context changes, and so does the availability of memories. Scientists call this memory blocking. It's like your brain hits a mental roadblock because the cues you're looking for are in a different room. The weird part? The memory is almost always still there. You just need to go back to where you started, and it'll come right back. This is also why you sometimes forget the name of someone you just met but remember the name of your 3rd grade teacher. Here's the plot twist that changed how I think about memory entirely. Scientists now believe that the ability to forget might be just as important as the ability to remember. There's actually a protein in your brain called RAC1 that acts like an eraser for memories. Too much of it, and you can't form new memories at all. But the right amount? It helps your brain make room for what actually matters by clearing out neural pathways you no longer need. Think of it like your brain's garbage disposal system. Without it, you'd have every single memory, every useless password, every meaningless conversation, every random Tuesday when you were 12, all competing for space. Your brain is making thousands of tiny decisions every day about what to keep and what to throw away. And that process is what we call forgetting. So next time you beat yourself up for forgetting someone's name 5 minutes after meeting them, remember this, your brain isn't broken. It's just doing its job.